installation of the Alta Decor trims and slopes. Alta Decor is a system of elements with which you can easily decorate any window or door opening. The system of trims and slopes gives the facade an attractive and complete appearance and hides seams and joints when installing panels. In addition to its aesthetic properties, it offers other advantages: resistance to mechanical damage and UV radiation, ease of transportation, and, of course, installation. The order and rules for installing elements are quite simple. First, you need to measure the length and the height of the window opening in order to install the finishing slat for the slopes immediately adjacent to the window. This additional element is fastened around the perimeter of all the windows. Next, we install the corners of the slope, measure the opening depth and adjust the size of the element to it. Then secure the bottom corners with self-tapping screws. The next stage is the installation of the slopes, which are joined to the secured corners. In this case, we also need to cut off the superfluous part of the element in order to adjust it to the opening depth. The number of elements depends on the height and the width of the window. The slopes are joined to each other using special feathers. If the slope joins with a corner element, the feathers should be cut off. This is due to the fact that this element is universal and can be used both on the right and left side of the opening. After all the elements are prepared, they can be joined to each other and fixed to the window. But beforehand, make sure that all the elements are installed at right angles, using the level gauge. The installation of the slopes is complete. They can join directly with the facade panels, but to make your facade look more stately, we recommend that you use our special Alta-Profile trims. The decorative trims of the Alta Decor system are joined up to the installed slope. If you did everything correctly before that, then it is easy to fix them to the backing. The sequence and installation rules for this element are identical to those we talked about earlier. The trim and slope are universal. The same element can be installed both on the right and left side of the window. That is why, when it joins with a corner, you need to cut off the locking feathers. All the elements of the Alta Decor system are secured to the backing with galvanized self-tapping screws. The self-tapping screw should be located in the center of the perforation. So a window finished with the Alta Decor system looks like this. After its installation, you can proceed to the mounting of the facade panels. You can find detailed instructions for installing Alta Decor trims and slopes on our website, www.alta-profile.ru, in the Help Center section. And our experts in the installation department can answer all your questions concerning the installation of our materials. Call the toll-free hotline 800-555-7773.